Hi everybody, it is Flip Flop Mountaineer coming to you from Tennessee with another homestead hack that you're not going to want to miss. This hack-worthy idea came out of my garden and into my chicken coop. This is something that was free for me to use, that I used as a brooding box and then turned it into the coop for the baby chickens. Let me show you how I did it on a dime. Done. I just let the big ones out to free range so that I can get you inside. I just want to show you this hack-worthy idea that is something that came from the garden into the coop, and it saved me time and money, and it can for you as well. And you may have it laying around that'll help you when you go to raise your baby chicks. Let's take a look. I am inside the run that holds the chicken coop for my baby chicks. This is the item that is behind me that I got for absolutely free, that was already on hand on my property. And I will tell you what I used, but I want to show you what it looks like first, and then we'll tell you what I used to make this for free with the materials I had on hand. So this right here, that houses all the baby chicks that are getting introduced to the old flock. So as you know, if you raise chickens, you can't just mix them right away because they'll go after each other. So I have this set up aside separately with inside the chicken run, and they've got their own housing unit at night that's separate from the adult chickens. So how did I get it for free, you ask? Well, this is what I did. Let me show you what I did to modify it first, and then I'll tell you where I got it. All right, so this part right here is something that I added. And then I added this piece up here at the top as well. This top piece is permanently attached. This bottom piece, as you can see, it's got hinges right here and a hinge on the other side as well, right down there. And then that way I can open and close it to clean it out. So what I did was I used it as a brooding box to start with, so it was not upright like this. This was actually laying on its backside and was a brooding box, so I could open this up to check on the baby chickens. So where did I get this free piece? From my garden. Last season I had potato bags growing in this box, and I did not plant potatoes this year. So when my baby chicks got too big and outgrew their small brooding box, I was looking around the property to see what I could use that would move them into the run to get used to the other chickens, and then also give them a bigger space. So in my garden, I came outside. This was being used last season, not this season, and had bagged garden inside of it and had potatoes growing. This year I didn't do that, so I grabbed this, added the wood, added the hinges that you see right here and on the other side, so that I could open and close it when it was laying down flat. And then when they got bigger, right now they're bigger, I wanted it to be a coop. So then I flipped it up, and now it's laying upright, and I keep this door open down here so that they can come in and out. So now they've got a home that is separate from the big kids. They can get acclimated to the old flock that's existing here, and then they've got a safe place at night that's within the run. So they've got a great place. It's something that will grow as they grow, and it's something that was absolutely free. I just used scrap wood that I had on hand to add this piece that's permanently attached and this piece down here that's the door. So this is another homestead hack coming to you straight from the mountain of Tennessee here, and this is something that is definitely subscribe worthy. So I want you to like and subscribe. Do me that favor. And again, this is Flip Flop Mountaineer with the homestead hack right here from Coop County, Tennessee.